Right. 1920 Mosaic. Thank you, everybody. Good luck. Graham, Healed. Melly, Washington. Rui. Markkinen. That's Doris and the Bulls. Durant, Kemba. Westbrook. Zion debut. Taco, Akpala. These are you, King. You got this box and then these two, King. And then Jimmy has the right three. Langford, silver. Garland, red. Westbrook. Noel, Jerome, and Jerome. Knox, Murray. Zion, rookie. Garland, Fernando. Winslow. Dwight Howard. 38 out of 49. Chris Paul. Kobe White. Porter. Fultz. Kukoc. Hunter. Windler, Claxton. Parker. Kai Bowman. Rui. Alexander Walker. Porter. Fox and Osman. Siakam. Johnson, Clark, and Brad Zekas. Scottie Pippen. Kawhi. Zion. Siakam, Weatherspoon, Nunn, and Samanich. Barnes, Magic. Bowman, Giannis, and Little. Okay. All right, box 2, good luck. Rubio, Mitchell, Zion introductions. Ja, something all over it. Barrett. Thompson, Wilt, Hayes, Langford, Pascal, Schofield, Melly, 61 out of 99. Ja, Trey Young, Kabengele, Poole, Culver, Porters and Terrence Davis, Porter, Rui, Kemba Walker, Hunter, Kuzma, Whiteside, Grant Williams, Embiid, Ferguson, Barrett, Ja, Martin, Kobe White, debut silver, Ntilikina, 20 out of 49. Paul George, Culver, Garland and Taco, Malone, Steph Curry, Cam Reddish, Harrow, Thibault, Hayes, Middleton, Bull, Edwards, none. Garnett, has Reds and the T-Wolves. Nice one, Jimmy. Jokic, Bull, Harrow, Barrett, box 3, good luck. Kabengele, Rozier, Paul George, Taco, Harrow, Thibault, none. That is JT and the Heat. Hayes, Edwards, and none. Sabonis, Dragic, 75 out of 99. LeBron, Bull, Harrow, and Barrett. Alexander Walker, Harden, Barrett, Gasol, Ja, Barrett, Bagley, McCollum, Hayes, and Langford. Was that the first one, King? Conley, Harrow, Embiid, Pascal, Kabengele, Poole. I missed one? Alright. Pascal, Hart, Kobe White, Siakam, Culver, Horton Tucker, Hunter, backwards box number 1 was A auto. Rivers and Brown, Williams, Johnson, and Roby. So these 2 boxes should have something big in them too. Clarkson, Pascal, blue, 27 out of 99. Paul George, Washington, Paisley, Malone, Taco, Ben Simmons. There you go, King. LeBron MVPs. Get these separated out here. Alright, Jimmy, you're up with the Cavs now. Box 4, good luck. Jackson Hayes, Osman, D'Angelo Russell, Culver, Horton Tucker, Hunter, Kevin Durant, gold auto, 3 out of 10. That was JT and the Nets. Tadze, Derrick Rose, Barton, LeBron, red. Stairmasters is that insert I was thinking of. Brad Zekas, Isaac, Tony Parker, Jaw, Barrett, like Davis for you, King. Allen, Towns, blue, 38 out of 99. Kemba Walker, Bull, Harrow, Barrett, Klay Thompson, Zeller, Westbrook, Zion debut, Taco, Otto Porter, Burks, Harrow, Melly, Washington, Rui, Patrick Ewing, Poole, Cam Johnson, LeBron MVPs, another gold, Taj Gibson, 10 out of 10. That was JT and the Knicks. And another. Sorry, Dale. I know you don't like those. I'll keep that one too. Curry, stained glass. Ingram, Bellica, Williams, and Roby. So what's supposed to be in that other box then? Like another gold or something? The other backwards box? Alright, box 5, good luck. Brandon Clark. Zion, blue chips, Reddish. Poole, Batadze. Fat Knob. Yeah, 2 Giannis's last case. Winslow, Bembry, Doncic, or a button. Vucevic, Jokic, Trae Young, Simonic, Bowman, Stockton, Melly, Weatherspoon, and Nunn. Terrence Davis, Mosaic. Crowder, PJ Washington, Introductions Mosaic. Johnson and Clark. Ferguson, Booker, Rubio, Thibault, Hayes, Edwards, Select Hobby. I think I have Select Hybrid. I don't know if I have Hobby. Tatum. Look at that. LeBron. MVP's red. And Giannis Overdrive. Taco Hero. Hero Silver. Kuzma. Martin Culver. James Worthy. That was JT. De'Aaron Fox, Man, Guy and Jaw. Joe Harris, Hunter, 66 out of 99, White, LeBron, center stage. Pascal, Schofield, and White. Got some nice stuff in this one. First half was, the big one was a LeBron White MVPs. Durant Gold Auto in this one. Curry Stained Glass. Alright, last box. Good luck. Kawhi. Alec Burks. Excuse me. 31 out of 49. Trae Young. Poole, Batadze, Pascal. Yeah, not a lot of Zion or Jaw, really, even. Kareem. That is JT and the Lakers. What's the biggest? We got a Ty Jerome rookie auto. Langford Silver. Kareem. De'Aaron Fox. Bowman and Little. Holiday. Randall. Jokic. Weatherspoon, Nunn, and Samanich. Oh, Nunn. That's right. Sexton, Adams, Johnson, Clark, and Brad Zekas. Horford, Wade, None. James Harden, MVP silver. Brooks, LeBron, Stairmasters, Taco, Harrow, Thibault. Did the Stairmasters do pretty well? Simons, Rubio, Anthony Davis, Culver, Garland, yeah, other than the Thibault white, Marcus Smart, Pascal. I don't think anything else was numbered. Kyle Guy, Ja, Cody Martin. Any rookies, that is. Brandon Clark, Herder, and Embiid. Schofield, White, and Mann. And it was Burks, Kareem, LeBron, Giannis, Worthy, Hunter, I guess the Hunter, LeBron, Towns, Gibson, Nunn, Dragic, Pascal, Zion, Melly, Ntilikina, Garnett, Markkanen, Howard, and Curry stained glass. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you for filling that up.